A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I hope you all are well and safe. So let's start with today's story. In this video, I'm going to tell you all 7 unknown facts about a footballer who fought poverty, family issues and earned a place in the Goan football team. Yes, he is no other than FC Goa defender Muhammad Ali. So let's start. Number 1. Ali was born in Karansalem, Goa and raised in poverty by a single mother, Dilshad B. Ali, who worked as a housemaid to support the family.
स्कूल में तो उनके लिए सबको मेरे हालत के बारे में जानकारी उनको मिली और एक दिन उसने ऐसा हादसा बनाया कि टीचर के साथ कि घर का माहौल देख के बहुत रो पड़ा स्कूल में। फिर टीचर ने मुझे कंप्लेन करके बुलाया घर स्कूल में, तो मुझे पूछा कि क्या हालत है, तो मैंने बताया कि मेरा ये हालत है। तो उसने बोला तुम ऐसे मत करो कि बच्चे पे असर होता है। तो रो के उसने बोला कि मम्मी बहुत मेरे पिताजी मम्मी को बहुत तंग करते हैं, इसलिए वो रो पड़ा स्कूल में।
Number 2. His elder brother Niazuddin started working when he was just 10 and Ali was not far behind, working at grocery stores to bring home some money. Number 3. Ali loved football. It meant everything to him. But his brother felt Ali should concentrate on studies and give up on football because of the financial conditions of the family. Number 4. Father Edwin Baracho, the then principal of Don Bosco High School, Panjim, and physical education teacher Francis Raposo were the two pillars who always supported him. When there was no food at home, Father Edwin used to feed him in the hostel or pay his fees when his mom could not afford it. Sir Francis Raposo was another father-like figure who tapped the young talent and made him a tough defender that he is now. Number 5. Ali has won promotion from the I-League 2nd Division twice in the 2 consecutive seasons with both Tempo and Naroka respectively. In May 2016, with Ali's help and team's hard work, Tempo got promoted to the I-League. Number 6. Ali was selected to be part of the Goa football team that will participate in the Santosh Trophy. Ali helped guide the Goa team to an unbeaten run through the group stages but could not prevent Goa from being defeated during the extra time in the semi-finals. Ali conceded an own goal as extra time was finishing while trying to clear a shot and Goa lost 1-0. Number 7. Ali made his professional debut for Goa during their first match of the season against Chennai on 19th November 2017. A week later, Ali started and helped Goa earn a 4-3 victory over Bengaluru on 30th November. After the match, he was awarded the Emerging Player of the Match for his performance at the centre back.
मुझे कभी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि आज अली इस मौके पर पहुंचेगा, लेकिन बहुत मेहनत से मेरा अली इतना आगे आ गया। तो आज मैं ये दिन देख रही हूँ कि खुशी के दिन देख रही हूँ।
So this was the story of FC Goa defender Muhammad Ali. Hope you liked it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.